Today on Steel Mill Builds, we've bent up a tunnel cover for the transmission. I have it lifted up slightly so that it clears the transmission. Nice bends over the top of it. Now we're going to size it to fit, and then we're going to go ahead and drill a bunch of holes on the sides to spot weld it in place. So I'm going to set you down right here, and we'll get started. So first we're going to put a couple of screws in the back corner here just to hold it in place. We have her clamped down tight. Now we'll pull it up. Now that we marked the underside, we'll pull it up and we'll trim it to fit better. Fitment again. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and we'll drill a bunch of holes along this line on either side. And we'll tack it into place, and then we'll just make a cover for the back side here. So I'll set up my drill press with a small bit, and we'll drill a bunch of those holes. That'll give me enough room to put a brake pedal and a gas pedal right in here. I don't think it's going to move because it's screwed, but And there you have it. Thanks for joining me today for this quick project. Now we'll just put a cap on the end of that and we'll be done. Thanks a lot. We'll see you later. Bye.